Reporting optimizers. If you haven't set up communications yet and you want to see a list of your reporting optimizers, you can check that via the menus. To do so, we'll turn off that 1-0 toggle, let our DC voltage bleed down, and then access the menus via the 4-button interface. We'll do a long hold on enter. Password is 123 123 12. Once we get into the menus, we'll use the down arrow to scroll down to Maintenance. Tap Enter. From the Maintenance menu, we'll scroll down again until we get to Diagnostics. Tap Enter. Got two options here. We're going to go ahead and select Optimizer Status. Tap Enter. And let's see all of our optimizers. Once we get into the menus here, we can scroll down with the down arrow and scroll through the entire list of reporting optimizers on our site. Thanks for joining us in the SolarEdge Learning Lab.